Welcome to another green capital of Scandinavia, Helsinki. Finnish capital is situated on the northern shore of the Gulf of Finland and comprises 300 islands interconnected with many bridges. You will find it very easy to get to Helsinki, either by ferry, train or plane to suburb Vantaa Airport. During your half-day city tour of Helsinki, you will walk through the vivid central harbor and market square, explore the charming old town, visit the famous rock church, monumental Helsinki Cathedral, and take a short tram ride. If you visit Helsinki, you will probably end up in Esplanade, the commercial and social heart of the city. With everything within walking distances, it's still a cosmopolitan feeling with something for everyone. Enjoy the views of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the European Union from an urban coffee shop, or shop for modern Finnish design pieces at the Design District. But don't forget about authentic experiences, like trying famous Finnish sauna at the amazing Loili Oasis and tasting traditional cuisine at Savota restaurant. When it comes to optional activities, consider a guided half-day tour to the mighty fortress of Suomenlinna, one of the biggest sea fortresses in the world, or experience a walking tour dedicated to modern Helsinki. But as locals say, the best of Helsinki lies outside the city. What will definitely highlight your trip is a sailing along the archipelago or a trip to the Finnish nature to explore Nuuksio National Park. Helsinki, the daughter of the Baltics, can be easily explored by foot. This compact city impresses every traveler with elegant Nordic architecture, various museums, parks on every corner, and a great number of different activities. Visit Helsinki with Firebird tours.